What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're going to go over Cardano. ADA is currently sitting at 29 cents, down 0.05 on the day. Same market cap of 10.2 billion, 24-hour volume 172 million. If you'd like me to cover ADA more often, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. So, a couple of scenarios. We only have 3 waves off the low. 1, 2, 3, and you need 5 waves, even if it's a leading diagonal. So there's always the chance that ADA could create a new low unless we can push up, and this would be the alternative wave 1, leading diagonal. So it would be leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that could complete the wave 1 alternatively. If ADA just pulls back into our target zone, starts to push up and break these highs, then it's just a bit of a weird leading diagonal because really we only have 3 waves to the upside. But if we were to push up from here up to this resistance, then we could really complete that leading diagonal. So we'll see. Just watch the support of this rising wedge. If we start to break down, that could be a signal we are going to come down to this target zone. Just be very careful. I wouldn't take a long from this target zone personally because we only have 3 waves up. I'd wait for bullish confirmation to come up and break these highs, because with only 3 waves up can suggest that this move is corrective and we create a new low. We fill that wick, we create a new low. We'll have to see how that plays out. Taking a look at the daily chart, as you can see, we have that nice rising wedge just starting to creep above the 20 EMA. Another thing I wanted to show you guys was the weekly. We have bullish divergence on the money flow on the weekly. As you can see, as we're falling here, money's flowing back in on the weekly chart. So your big boy whales, they're investing into ADA. They're scooping up ADA at these lower prices, which suggests that eventually we will break out. You could also see a little bit of a bullish divergence. The only issue is the RSI indicator is based off the candle closes and not the wick. So yes, we created a wick. So yes, we created a lower low with the wick, but the RSI is based off the candle close. Basically, it's an equal low, but we have a little bit of a higher low on the weekly chart as well for our friend ADA. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at. If we lose the wedge, then we can start to break down. Just be very cautious because it's only 3 waves up. Alternatively, if we can bounce and push up to this resistance, then we can really complete that leading diagonal, alternative wave 1, before pulling back in that wave 2. All right, gang, if you want access to the Discord, it's completely free. Top link in the comments. My signals are $10 per month. You can sign up through the Patreon link, and you get access to my signals analysis, which are posted daily analysis, my trade signals, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, Forex signals analysis as well. Only $10 a month. We also have over 2,000 members in the Discord, and I do my trading here on Bit and Bybit. Sign up, grab those bonuses, up to 8K bonuses on Bit, up to 30K on Bybit. Email me or sign up email for a special bonus after you make your first deposit. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It goes a long way in supporting the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.